welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video, a very festive one, so I hope you're in the festive mood because today's video, I can't believe I'm saying this, is in collaboration with Poundland. I'm working with Poundland on this video to create a festive window display. They are running a campaign called #Windows for Christmas, just to help us all get into that festive creativity mode. And with all of us pretty much being in at the moment, it just is a way to get crafty indoors with the kids as well if you've got a family. So I picked up so many amazing festive finds that I cannot wait to share with you. This is very much a Poundland haul, but what I'm going to do is all the little festive-y bits that I've got for my window display, I'm going to do it before and after. I might even post a bit on Instagram as well, so if you're not already following me on my homeware account, it is freyafarrington home over on Instagram. You can find me and all my house homeware updates with the new house over on there. I also picked up a few festive finds for gift ideas, which I actually featured in my gift guide videos. I have a stocking filler, a gift guide for her, and a gift guide for him. I think Poundland featured in all three of those. So if you haven't already seen those videos, I'll leave them all linked below. But without further ado, let's crack on with showing you some of the festive finds that I picked up from Poundland. I have 6 bags of things to share with you. The first thing is probably the least festive thing. It's an ottoman. Now I saw this, I think this was £5 because it's from the Pep & Co range. They have loads of amazing homeware in Poundland. If you go to one with the Pep & Co, you can really get some good finds. And this one is like almost a linen effect ottoman storage box. I thought this would just come in so handy with storing things. You could pop it under a bench or bed or wherever you want. So obviously this is my color scheme. Beige is very much my style. It's not something I typically eat, but I had to get it because of the festive packaging. Kellogg's cornflakes. Look at this. The season's greetings with like a real vintage drawing of Santa on it. I had to pick this up. I do like cornflakes, but I'm thinking more for baking with these. You know, cornflake cluster cakes, chocolatey cornflake cluster things. If you've got any ideas of what I can use cornflakes for baking, leave them in the comments below. I also picked up a couple faves in terms of Reese's. I absolutely love Reese's. So they have the Christmas Countdown Advent Calendar. I also picked up a little selection box, which I thought is a good little stocking filler, good gift idea. Yum, these will definitely get eaten in our household. They have loads of Christmas cards as well in Poundland, I'm sure you guys are aware, but they do lots of like funny tongue-in-cheek comedy cards. I also picked up this because Toblerone is the Christmas chocolate, I feel. Well, Terry's probably is, let's be honest, but Toblerone for me as well. So this one is in gingery orange. I know that's probably not to everyone's taste. They had loads of different flavors, but gingery orange to me sounds right up my street. I love ginger. I love chocolate orange, so I'm sure I'm gonna love that. These are also a very festive snack. These speculatos, they're called. They're like the little Lotus Biscoff flavor biscuits, traditional for Germany. Correct me if I'm wrong. So it's like a cinnamon biscuit. Love them. Love them with just like a coffee. I picked up 2 festive jute sacks, they're called. These are gonna be for Tom's nieces. He has 2. Hence why we have 2. They're only £1 each, really generously sized as well. So good for just like loading in the Christmas presents for them. Oh, this was an interesting find. So they quite often do recycled books. I found this one called Heart and Hustle by Patricia Bright, who is a YouTuber. She was one of the first people that I ever watched that made me feel so comforted when she said, grab your cuppa, get ready, relax, make sure you're comfy, and enjoy today's video. That was her. I always remember her saying that, and this was back when she was a banker. So she has a lot of experience with hustling, so I'm intrigued to give this a read. This is since she's had her beautiful daughter. I think she's got 2 babies now, hasn't she? But yeah, I'm intrigued to give that one a read. Ultimate Christmas chocolate here. Quality Street. I'm sure I've got down in the basement from the range, you know, that glass tree. I can't remember if I bought it last year or not. I'm pretty sure I did. I thought these would look really nice in there. In fact, one of you guys even suggested putting all just the green triangle ones in, which I think is a really cute idea because it's in a tree-shaped glass bowl to have it all green. I thought that was a genius idea, so well done to whoever it was that suggested that. Okay, potentially for the Christmassy window display scene, this one may or may not be getting used, but if not, I still love them anyway. They are drinking glasses, drinking tumblers with that kind of bobble design that I've been seeing quite a lot on like Pinterest, on Instagram. I think H&M Home have like the bobble candles. So it could make quite a nice little vase. It's obviously a drinking glass, but I also thought for a window display, maybe a little tea light in there. I love the glass and white element for Christmas. You'll see that with the theme of everything else that I bought. I got some of these for my Festive window display. I'm kind of thinking a bit of a DIY with these ones because I did pick up, did I get 5 or 6? I think I just got 5. Yeah, they had them in love heart shapes as well. I just went for the tree-shaped ones. They're little hanging decorations with these little green confetti type things in them. I'm thinking of emptying the confetti and just having them empty so that they kind of replicate that, like I was saying, glass and white theme. But obviously if green is in your theme, or if you're wanting to go traditional with red and green, then I think these are adorable. I also picked up 2 of these wooden scene things that they do, which I just think is perfect for a little window display. So I got 2 designs. I got the one that looks like a little house with a couple of trees and a deer or stag in there, and then this one also has a couple of trees and a stag, but it's in the shape of a little Christmas tree. So I thought these kind of complement each other quite well. I've got quite a wide window ledge here, so I feel like I'm going to scatter these in and amongst some other decorations and make it almost like a little bit of a Christmassy woodland white and glass theme. I also got this little polar bear. I know that's not really woodland, but it's a bear and it's white. So yeah, I thought this guy was adorable. It makes me think of David Attenborough for some reason. Okay, and then I also got these 2 little glass bottles, and they kind of have like a mercury stained effect on them, if you can see. And these light up as well. But I loved the look of these, not even just for Christmas. I think they're really, really pretty. Oh, some more festive treats. I got these little Dairy Milk Little Robins, they're called, and they have Dime in them, which is one of my favorite chocolates. I also got this Dairy Milk Winter Gingerbread Edition. I also got some little festive napkins. I thought these were quite unique in that they are star-shaped with little gold stars on. How pretty are they? I also got this, finally, let's do a sniff and test. Ooh, nice. This Festive Edition Febreze bathroom scented thing. It's got a little button on the back and you just press it to release the scent. This one is in spiced apple, and these last up to 45 days, so they're good to just pop in your bathroom, like by the toilet. Just keep it smelling nice and fresh, and in this case, festive as well. Then I also got 3 new Airwick plugins. So happy I found these. Fresh Forest Pine. You may have already seen these in a Pine Speed Clean. I also got, these aren't really that festive, but I guess you could use them on the window display as well. But they are in warm white LED lights, 1.6 meters, and they've got this kind of like rattan woven kind of straw design. I just think these would look nice, maybe lit up in a glass bowl, maybe even with some potpourri. These ones were £2. I had to pick up this bag. Look at this. Santa's little helper. I got this. It is a Merry Christmas doormat. I'm not sure whether this is gonna go front door or back. I feel like it should go front, right? Merry Christmas. I'm thinking about hanging some things from the ceiling, aka baubles, just to give the kind of height dimension a bit of a break up, maybe even find some stars to put in there, like hanging as well. So I picked up these giant baubles that they do. They have so many different colors, patterns, designs. I just went for the white and kind of brushed champagne gold. Oh, for my Pine Speed Clean with me, I got some Harpic Pine. I also got this, which isn't pine scented, but it is green, and it is the Fairy Washing Up Liquid. just in original, but with a little Christmas design on that. So have a festive fairy, why not? They do an apple version as well, which is all festive on the front as well. Okay, I got this latte coffee drink in toffee nuts. They had a couple of different flavors. I think they had salted caramel as well. I also picked up these for my festive window display. They're just scatter crystals. I think these were within the bridal wedding type section. I just thought these could look really pretty, almost like snow-like on the windowsill. And then I also got these from the kids craft section from Crayola. These ones are. They are a 10-piece of polystyrene stars. But I guess like for kids, they can paint them. You know me, I love white. So I thought, let's just get these and scatter these, why not? Totally unfestive, but I had to pick up these when I saw them. Petit pain, and it's a pack of 6. These are great because they're super long lasting. They're good to just throw in your cupboard, and then as and when you're hosting, maybe if you've made a dip, to put some fresh baked bread in the oven. Oh my goodness, you should see the Christmas mess around me right now. Okay, we are on to the last 2 bags now. Oh my god, everything's so white and festive. Okay, so the first thing, I got some little bottle bags. I got these because my kind of theme that I'm going with this year for wrapping is greys and whites. Managed to get my hands on some White Company sale Christmas gift wrap at the start of this year, which I obviously want to prioritise, so to fit in theme with that. I'm getting lots of whites, greys. I got loads of festive bits for my window display. These are, in fact, everything left now is intended for my festive windows for Christmas display. If you want to get involved as well, by the way, with the hashtag, feel free, go to their social media at Poundland on Instagram, and they've got the hashtag windows for Christmas. You can get involved and share your pictures as well. So this little guy, how adorable is he? Little Christmas gonk. I find that word so funny, gonk. They had actually different colours. They had greys and pinks as well, but I went for this little gold and white guy. He's so cute. And then I also got this little set of 3 little fuzzy polar bears. Love them. And then I also got a bauble. I managed to find this one. They're kind of like a feathery design. I got another one of these. I've got one of these in the past just because I think they're actually really designer looking. And it's one of the ball candles that you can find just in the like homeware section where the candles are. And I just love the simplicity of that. And then I also got 2 of these little tea light holders. I love that they're kind of like a frosted glass with a little snowflake design on. And this little Christmas tree as well, which is a very similar design. It's kind of like that frosted glass again. I also got a little penguin. I saw this when I saw the little polar bear. Okay, I also got, these are probably one of my favorite things. I'm loving the idea of like a Christmas scene with little houses, and I've even got a couple scattered in the background already. So I got 3 of this design, which are little, they obviously light up as well, little globes with a stag in, oh no, 2 stags, like a little baby deer as well, and a Christmas tree. So I got 3 of them. And then I also managed to find this one on its own. So if there'd have been more, I would have picked them up. They also had more of these with silver glitter edging on the rim here and also within the globe itself. I also got these ones for hanging, again for the different height dimension, or I guess you could just, I might even just stand them up on their own. So yeah, I got 5 of them. Okay, then last but not least, I got my hands on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different fairy lights, because even if I don't use these within my window display, I'm definitely going to use some of them, but if I don't use all of them, I'm going to be scattering these around the house. You could put them in little glass hurricanes. This one's probably my favorite. This one is in warm white, and they are micro lights, so they're really, really subtle. I love that design, just very simple. I also got these little Christmas trees, which again, because they're like an acrylic, they are just clear and will go with the kind of glass look and white theme. And then same with these are icicle lights, again in warm white. I got these. I think each variety you can get it in a cool white as well if you prefer. And then I also got, okay, this one is in bright white. This One is in like a kind of snowflake design, again in that kind of acrylic, so nice and clear and neutral. I got another one of the micro lights in a warm white, and then last but not least, again in warm white, I got these star lights, which are little white wooden stars. I think they're so pretty. So I hope you enjoyed this haul. I was gonna say little haul, it was a huge haul from Poundland. If you want to carry on watching and decorate with me to create my little window display, windows for Christmas, do join the campaign, share your pictures too, tag me in them as well because I'd love to see what you guys create. A huge thank you to Poundland for including me within this campaign and working with me on this video. And without further ado, I will let you sit back, relax and enjoy my little festive decorating time lapse.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true, that's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls, I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine, but I've been waiting for the season that's mine. So let it come, yeah, let it come. Snowflakes fall, I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true, that's why I cheer.